Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to upload photos on Pinterest. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to go ahead and log into our Pinterest account. We can do so by logging in through our browser, or we can log in to our mobile application. So for this tutorial, I'll be using the mobile app. So once I'm here on my account, I can go ahead and click the profile icon. And once I am routed on this part, all I need to do then is to click the plus sign here. And once I am routed on this part, I'm going to click pin. And right after that, I can now choose the photo that I wish to upload. So just like for example, this one. And right after that, I'm going to click next. Once I'm here, I can go ahead and input the titles. So just like for example, I have here Pinterest marketing tutorial. So I can use that. And if in case that I do have or you have your website, you can also add that link here so that it would be easier for the people to view and be routed on your website. So once everything is set, then I can go ahead and click next. And since we still don't have the board to place this, we are going to create one. So we're going to click this. So once we are here on this part, we are going to create the name of the board. So just like for example, I have here thumbnail thread. That would be the title of this board then. And I can also add the collaborators if I may add other people to have on this particular board. So once everything is set, I can go ahead and click create. So basically that board was already created and the photo was already uploaded as well. So if you try to notice, we now have here our photo. It is now successfully uploaded on Pinterest account. So there you have it. That's how we are going to upload photos on Pinterest. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.